I'm coming. Not like that, I promise.
He's gonna like it on.
What's up, YouTube? Back in Milk Truck with some random dudes I met online.
Summer
Hell
edition.
yeah.
Milk Truck Summer Edition.
It's okay, Carson. It's
Yeah,
okay.
Milk Truck's about to be nasty, but
It's okay, Carson. The bugs are surrounding you because you're dirty.
here we go.
Here we go, boys. Full send.
It's full sending. This is so stupid. What is life, bro? It's okay.
Okay.
Last words.
Oh, that is so no. That's disgusting.
Oh, hell no. He's disappearing. Carson, let me up. Carson, let me up. Alright, when I say bag, you know what to do? Carson, is it any bigger yet? Oh, I see it.
You're
Okay.
just about.
Yeah, hand it. Couldn't be any nastier, that's for sure.
Just like if we went to Stallman's or Fort Mines, we need clothes, towels, shoes.
Yeah, we're in Milk Truck.
If Stallman's and Fort Mines, you're gonna be walking in knee-deep water.
Even muddier than last time.
No, it's not mud, it's just straight water. Well, Fort Mines is water and sand, and Stallman's is sewage. Like actual human sewage.
What's Stallman?
Stallman, the sewer you have to walk through?
Oh, yeah.
Really? Should I start naming them?
No.
Yeah. But I do not think I'm getting this dirty today exploring. It's not okay. This has been my recovery BART. I haven't had an actual BART in almost over a month now. Which way, Mr. Guide Guy? Isn't there 12 trucks in?
Yeah, there.
That same tag is in Candyman. Okay, remember we went right last time, so what's this?
Did you ever find the milk trucks last time you were here?
Yep. Yeah.
Alright.
This cave's got a lot of art.
You know, it doesn't have that much compared to others.
Well, it's because it's been sealed lots of.
Oh, what? Guys, we made a full loop. We're at the exit. Yeah, that's where we came in. Shoot. Trucks are this way. The glorious milk trucks. 2.5 of them.
Snooze you lose.
There's the putting green.
Snooze you lose.
And here we are. This day's long awaited. Well, that's sketchy.
I just need so I can get one big clerk. That's all I need, is just one.
I can get a BART. Oh, it's flooded in that bitch.
Yeah, we hung out in there a little last time. Is this like a boat? Never know what you'll find.
There's some actual weed.
Oh yeah, okay, I know where we are.
How big is milk truck?
Oh, we're not even halfway. See, this is where there's a bunch of split offs.
Bunch of what?
And I know it's that way, I don't know it's that way.
Is there anything remarkably cool left in the cave?
There's a sledding hill.
Huh?
There's a sledding hill.
Some people show up at Checkers to save a group of 10, 15 people.
That was me.
I know, I love that group.
Well, we came here and then here's the Buzz driving sheet and then
String is on me.
Whoa. You can see it's totally flooded, and the UOP tunnel. Yeah, we're fully flooded here, so we're gonna have to stop here, which sucks.
Wait, that's the famous graffiti painting I always see? That's
Cause that the UOP thing,
Yeah.
UP.
I've always wondered what cave that was.
Yep.
See, now I really wish I had my
Rainwater,
shorts on,
bro.
dude. If I had my shorts on, I could walk through this. Yeah, if I had shorts, I'd at least take a one
Hey yo.
around, but I'm not gonna walk around and not use your Feel that water. Feel it. Just let me know how cold it is.
What's up here?
It is freezing.
What's up there, cutie?
Maybe a way around. But I didn't go up here last time. We'll see. Found a new way up here. There's a chance that might be the sledding hill. Yeah, you guys should come up. Yeah. Oh wow, it's a really big cave.
It says caveman down there. It says caveman's in here.
This is where Silver lives. Is this his basement? Are we in Silver's basement, bro?
It might be. If we lose our lights, we're dead.
Caveman, that's me.
No way. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Time to die. I cannot,
It's okay.
in my wildest dreams, think this is still milk truck.
I think I can.
His milk truck,
Shut up, Carson. I'm simple-minded being.
AG, and... that
AG is
Geo.
quite far from here, though.
Found our entrance.
Well, no, what I'm saying is
What's
AG
in
and
there?
Nat Geo have these black walls. I've
Yo.
never seen them in another cave.
Yo, okay, Jay, we gotta go down there.
You wanna, man? We're getting pretty far out.
That
It's
goes
okay.
up.
There's like this hairy stuff in here.
I like hairy stuff.
For real.
That's mold.
No, it's not. That?
It's mold.
That? Looks like a plant.
Oh, that's weed. Yeah, no. When I hear hairy stuff, I think of like the white.
Oh, no.
fuzzy mold.
I know what mold is.
Okay.
Bruh.
I was gonna be like, that's an impressive mold if that's mold.
Yeah, I can see it. I just heard fuzzy stuff. Fuzzy stuff in cave. 99%
Guys, I'm
of the
licking
time
it.
it's mold.
Guys, it tastes good. Oh.
Guys, look at the cotton candy I found. Cave candy.
Why is it black?
Dude, that should be
Carson, why
that should
is
be
it
our
black?
term, dude. Bando candy is asbestos. Type shit, dude. I munch on some asbestos.
It can't be asbestos in a cave, right?
Yeah, they can.
If they put it down here.
Oh, that's true. It's this way, right?
Ford Mines has asbestos and paint and in it.
Good stuff. Starting to feel lightheaded, so we're definitely heading out.
I'm too really lightheaded.
But
I don't know how we're getting down.
this might be a fun little slide here, huh?
Told you it was so bad.
Hey, man, you were right.
That's what I said.
My pants are completely ripped open now.
Those pants are just hanging out by night.
They just keep ripping further and further, too. I'm sliding. Whee! Alright, slide down. Just slide.
Can you try to like sit in the corner so I can see the phone? Like flash it up the hill?
I'm already down the hill. I'm so lightheaded, I'm blacking out. My vision's blacking
Are you
out.
for real?
Yeah, bro. Like.
You need water? I got water.
I
Like if you really need.
dehydrated. I might be dehydrated.
Whee! Woo! Woo!
Hey, Rebecca doesn't have pants.
Oh, frick, how am I gonna get out of here now?
Wait, what? He doesn't have pants. You better be really on your knees, dude.
What? Just kidding.
This is what?
Pink green. That's our slogan.
Green bean gang. Oh, sorry.
Pink green bean gang. Making our way out of milk truck.
Walking
Fast, trying not to pass out. Do-do-do-do-do-do. From a lack of oxygen.
Roar.
Almost past the exit, whatever.
So Carson was doing. Oh, Carson was doing so it's not down here, right?
Dude, I said I don't remember climbing that much.
Ow.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, back in the loop. Oh, frick.
We're back in the loop, boys.
I can breathe way better too.
Huh?
I can breathe better too.
Yeah, we're getting more fresh air. I'm willing to bet you there's probably a percentage of dead air in there.
What's that again?
Cause like it wasn't just one.
Dead air is like
Lack of
really
oxygen?
Stale air hasn't been circulated and like almost stuck in a vacuum for so many years that the oxygen depletes.
I mean, I bet it depletes as we go further in.
Yeah. And especially with that last part.
Well, we're about to get wet all over again.
Go on a second. I go first this time.
Milk truck, visit number 2.
Has come to an end.
I don't know how much I like that.
We have started and send up. I want a nice little video of this.
Good, dude, sit there.
Gotta keep the face concealed.
Keep your face concealed.
What were you saying, KJ?
I got a second bag to put my bag in.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is gonna be nasty.
it is pretty nasty. Oh. So gross. Oh, this is where I'm putting the camera away, but you saw the exit in the last video, so.
Hi. What? Can you hand this to him?
Oh yeah.
Tell him to put that in his bag.
We got out of the cave. I'm completely destroyed muddy. My pants are absolutely ripped in half and also very muddy. I'm probably never going to milk truck again, but that's probably the coolest cave around here. Hellhole. Yeah. Thanks for watching.